Hello YouTube, it is Erik here. Today I'm with my friend Eddy and we're building an insane gaming rig. Start us off with the parts.
For the processor we have Ryzen 9 3900,
which is paired with the Nvidia Geforce RTX 2080 Ti. Also cooling the processor, you have a Kraken X62 from NZXT.
Motherboard is Meg Ace X570. Then got some thermal paste. These are the SSDs, M.2s.
You have a Gen 4 there.
Got one Gen 4 and then one regular one.
Yeah. RAM, G.Skillz Trident Royal Z in gold. So.
Power supply, 1000 watt power supply from EVGA. Got some cables, some gold cables because it's going to be a black and gold build mostly. And then the case is H710 NZXT.
Everything's going to go in there. Have this gorgeous black and gold build look.
Alright guys, we are done. This is the build. This is how it turned out. Looks pretty good. Gotta adjust some light in here, I know. And right now we're just gonna peel off the final little things. And right now, while I'm talking, we are running the benchmark to see what's up. Okay, I'm gonna... And install the case. Okay. No. Oh, there we go.
So, we have just ran Time Spy Extreme. We got a score of 14,487. We compared it online, it's the top 2%. Pretty impressive stuff. So, we just ran some siege tests. We were getting steady over 160 FPS on ultra settings, 1440p with full rendering. So anything you can throw at it, it pretty much will handle. It's quite impressive. So thanks for watching this video. Here's some more clips and stuff, and like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell to see more. Maybe I will build my computer sometime in the future. That should be interesting. Yeah.
That's pretty This is how I'm spending my Sunday. I'm not gonna talk to you. I'm mad at you right now. Okay, you're making me iron a freaking thing with a blow dryer and a book. Okay? Go. You're so funny.
Hello YouTube, today we're... That's very professional.
You gotta cut the... You gotta make, what is it, bloopers in the end. What's walking here? I can't, this is not happy. Just get in my bed. Wake up. Hello guys.
Are we doing the thing?
I look at you and I laugh. How am I not supposed to laugh?
Are we doing the thing?
Are we doing the thing? Sure, let's do the thing.
Are we doing a thing? What?
But you're saying. Oh my god. Why did you say up? What is wrong with you? Up!
I'll say, hello everybody, it is Erik here.
And I will come in and I'll push you over. Hello everybody, this is Eddie here.